Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to change Bluetooth name on Android. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in order to change the name of Bluetooth, we have to change the name of our device. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do, you just have to open up the settings of your Android device, and then you need to tap on my phone option. Okay, so this option is present in every Android phone. If it is not present at the top, it should be present at the end. Okay, so just tap on my phone, and here you can see we have device name. Okay, so right now it is Infinix Note 7. So you just have to remove this name and add a name that suits for yourself, and then when you enable the Bluetooth, the other device will see that specific name that you have just changed. Okay, so that's how to change Bluetooth name on Android. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.